god. Haley, chill. Say down here with my friend Haley. No, we're not gonna slime, so. She's putting the whole bottle of glue. Are you sure you want to put that much?
We don't have. We could just use things from inside instead of outside.
Well, we're gonna use things from outside.
No, we're using things from inside now.
Like what?
I don't want to put dirt in my.
It looks weird.
Now, what I do, I put a little bit of water in my bottle and shake it up so I get all the glue out. That's pretty much in there.
Keep your mom up.
Okay, so now I'll get you a fork.
Kind of how much water went with it.
Coconut oil.
Some water went with it.
Okay. Are you making your slime right now? Have you started yet?
No, I had too much water in the glue bottle.
Oh, I didn't put very much in mine. I put like barely. We're videotaping!
That's gonna be on YouTube. That's funny.
I knew he was gonna do it. It always scares me though. He always does it.
It's already a little moisty.
A moisty?
I don't need too much.
Oops, I keep poking holes in this plate.
You might want to put a plate under it.
It's okay. We'll clean the table. And by the way, we have parent permission to do this.
Yeah. I think I need borax because I already have water with mine.
It's okay. Don't put straight borax in it.
Why?
It makes it gritty. You can do it if you want. It just makes it really gritty.
What do you mean?
Like it makes it have a texture. That's disgusting.
Why not?
Hmm?
I got some on the table.
It's okay. We'll wipe it off.
Nothing happened.
You're too tall. I have to. Yeah.
Is that better?
Yeah.
What? People might want to see my stomach. Are you shy of camera? So you keep looking up?
No, I'm just. Hashtag
Slow sawing that takes forever.
Look, it's turning into slime. I made slime before.
I can
I
tell.
need this chair. There.
That was scary. What's up, fam?
What's happening? I'm Karina Garcia. Hey girl, hey! That's what she sounds like. Well, not like how my voice sounds. Her voice is way higher than mine. My voice. Oh, look at mine.
Look at this one chunk of piece.
Look at mine. I keep poking holes in the plate.
Well, I messed mine up.
Okay, just keep adding borax. It's gonna be a little watery. Mr. Brown got attached to you.
I got some on the table. I made slime before. I just use it different.
Yeah, you do it different.
I use
Tie day today.
Wait,
You might have to get some more water
keep it on the left.
and put borax in it. You can just pour the rest in your slime.
I think it's because I had water in it.
It's okay, I made jiggly slime before. That's how you make jiggly slime. Mine is turning into slime. It's just very sticky. Just gonna pour it in.
Mine's working now.
feel bad for your hands.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I was kidding.
My arm hairs.
It's turning now.
Said it's turning.
Yeah. It's coming out good now. What is your purple?
I don't know.
It's kind of working.
Do you have an editing thing where you can edit stuff out?
Nope.
You could.
Well, I think I can. I don't know.
You could get one.
Doesn't look like it's fully done.
Kind of sticky. I'll just play with it with my hands. It's sticky. It has.
How's there like?
Just pull that spoon.
Nobody wants the spoon with it.
No, just play with it.
I don't want to.
Hashtag missing.
We might go swimming tomorrow if I stay the night.
I'm sure we will.
Probably.
If your mom wants to, which I bet she will. Ew! I have the shaving cream in my room.
We can make it puffy.
Fluffy.
Puffy.
Fluffy.
I call it puffy. I'm using the spoon.
You didn't. I didn't. Good. Warm and sticky. Here, let's just get this off of the plate real quick.
I wouldn't do that.
I'm trying to get it all in my hands. I mean, when I poke it, it's super kind of sketchy. Ah! Sticky.
Oh, it's coming out well. Ugh! That scared me.
What did?
I touched it and it felt weird.
Probably because you got a lot of water in it.
I do.
My body just broke. It almost got in my hair.
Look what I'm wearing. Mine's very big.
Mine is too. Mine's a pretty big chunk of slime.
Mine looks bigger.
Why does my plate keep breaking? Because you added more water to yours.
Yay. I want my big. I'm taking
Okay.
Oh, it feels weird.
Probably because you added straight borax to it.
But it still came out good. It still came out good.
This has already been 7 minutes. You have to edit this. Ah!
Come off the plate. I'm trying to like get most of it off the plate.
It just sticks to the plate.
Hi, Senor.
Nice.
Slime.
Ah.
We're doing a YouTube video.
Poke.
It's all over my hand and it's sticky.
Don't wipe it on your hands.
I just.
Elizabeth?
Sorry. Y'all know my middle name. Part of
One
it.
of them.
One of them.
Elizabeth.
Something. Hold on.
New one.
Yeah.
Okay. Not gonna add. Oh, are you Indian?
Yes, I'm half Indian.
Well, that makes sense then. Did your dad